Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to our channel Gadget Guide Pro. Today we are reviewing a powerhouse gaming smartphone, the all-new Asus ROG 9. Today we will explore its feature, design and performance. Get ready to unleash unmatched gaming performance with the ROG 9. This model mastered seamless played high-powered gaming with a sleek modern aesthetic. So let's go. The silk black design expertly blend glossy and matte finish, including a futuristic and sophisticated vibe. The matte finish crafted with a crystallized nanotexture for a silk touch and fingerprint-free surface. The anime version accelerated display is a game changer, featuring 85 programmable main LEDs for customizable animation that react to your every move. With the Snapdragon 80 Lite mobile platform, the ROG 9 delivers 45% faster CPU performance, 40% faster NPU performance, and 40% faster GPU performance. The Asus ROG 9 boasts a 50MP wide camera, 30MP ultra wide camera, and 5MP micro camera, and 32MP ultra wide selfie camera. With advanced camera technology, you can capture lifelike detection-free image and versatility for any sensor. The ROG Phone 9 features a 6.7-inch E6 AMOLED display with a refresh rate up to 185Hz and a peak brightness of 2500 nits. With the largest 5800 mAh battery and 65-watt hypercharger, you can enjoy gaming and entertainment. The ROG 9 features immersive theater quality sound with direct virtual and welcome aptX adaptive and aptX lossless high fidelity Bluetooth audio. ROG is the ultimate gaming smartphone with its powerful performance and advanced camera features and impressive sound. It's the perfect device for gamers and tech enthusiasts alike. Get your hand on the Asus ROG 9 today and experience the features of gaming. Thanks for watching our video with the Asus ROG 9. Don't forget like and subscribe for more informative content and unique gadgets.